In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly connect your Acuity Scheduling account to your Google Calendar. This is not only a great way to keep all your appointments organized, but it also ensures that you never miss an important meeting or event. Let's dive right in and get you set up. First, go ahead and log into your Acuity Scheduling account. Make sure you have your login details handy and that you're accessing the correct account. Once you're in, we're heading over to the Calendar section. You'll find it on the left-hand side. Simply click on it and then look for the option that says Sync with Other Calendars. Now it's time to initiate the connection between your Acuity account and your Google Calendar. You'll see a button labeled Google. Click on that and then you'll want to select Connect to Google Calendar. This is where the magic begins, and it's a crucial step in making sure both calendars communicate with each other effectively. At this stage, you'll be prompted to log into your Google account. Simply follow the on-screen instructions to grant Acuity Scheduling the necessary permissions. It's important to take a moment here to ensure that you're comfortable with these permissions, as Acuity will need access to manage your calendar events. If you have multiple Google accounts, double-check that you're connecting the one you intend to sync with. This step is crucial because it establishes the bridge necessary for syncing your calendars seamlessly. Once you're authenticated and logged in, you can configure your sync settings. You'll be greeted by a drop-down menu allowing you to choose the specific Google Calendar you want to connect. Consider which calendar you use for scheduling most of your appointments or events so you pick correctly. Then, decide if you want to block off time in Acuity for events already listed on your Google Calendar by checking the Block Off Time box. This feature is particularly helpful if you use your Google Calendar to track personal events and want to prevent double booking. Additionally, you can customize the reminder settings to suit your needs. This step is where tailoring the tool to fit your unique schedule happens. So take the time to ensure these settings align with how you prefer to manage your time. And lastly, to finalize everything and save your sync settings, just click the Save button. It's a simple yet vital action that ensures all your efforts up to this point are captured and the connection between your calendars is established. There you have it, a straightforward process that opens up a new level of organizational efficiency. Now your Acuity Scheduling and Google Calendar are in perfect harmony, ready to help you manage your time with confidence. Don't forget to revisit these settings whenever your scheduling needs evolve. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful in making your scheduling smoother.